Hi everyone! Join me today for a gentle Qigong practice to help you slow down, breathe, and relax before bed. Stand up nice and tall and relax your whole body. Soften your knees, drop your tailbone down to relax your lower back and soften your neck and shoulders. And take a moment to ground yourself through your feet. Then bring your hands together and rub gently until they feel nice and warm. Keep your shoulders nice and relaxed, guiding the energy to the hands and focusing on the center of your palms. Then make your hands into a loose fist. Begin turning your body from side to side. Stay relaxed and loose, finding the momentum from your legs. Your knees are slightly bent, your lower back is nice and relaxed, and your spine is reaching upwards towards the sky. Get yourself grounded through your feet and relax through your neck and shoulders. Begin to slow down and return to center. From here, take a nice deep breath in through your nose, come up on your toes. Exhale and soften down. Breathe in as you open and expand the body upwards. Exhale as you soften and relax fully. Continue 4 more times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Make sure you relax and soften your entire body. Twice more like that. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Nice full breath here, opening through the chest. Exhale, soften down. Relax fully. Then bend your knees, interlace your fingers. Turn and press out. Look up through the fingers. Release your neck and shoulders and soften your entire body. Go ahead and repeat. Release gently and relax. One more time. Remember to breathe throughout the entire exercise, always inhaling, always exhaling. Release your neck and shoulders and soften down. From here, open your hands to the side. Drop your shoulders and relax for a moment. Then turn your palms, go all the way to the top. Allow your body to lift and expand upwards. Exhale as you come back down and relax fully. Go ahead and repeat, taking your time. Relax your neck and shoulders as you open your chest. Turn your palms up. Reach upwards, as if you're lifting yourself by the crown of the head. Come up on your toes. Exhale down, sending the wave of relaxation through your entire body. Repeat twice more. Gently press upwards. Release and soften down. Make sure you relax every muscle in your body. Soften your joints and get grounded through your feet. One more time. Release the position and relax your entire body. Take a moment here to notice how you feel. Then bring your hands to the center, open to the side, turn your head and look behind your shoulder. Release, bend your knees as you return to center and repeat to the other side. Turn your palms so they face into the back, then soften and return. Inhale every time you open. Exhale every time you relax and soften. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax for a moment. Then go ahead and turn to the back. Breathe in. Return to center. Breathe out. Breathe in on the other side. Breathe out and relax. Breathe in, keeping your spine nice and straight, twisting primarily from your legs. Breathe in. Breathe out. Moving with your breath. Allow your body to relax fully. One more time on each side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax here and take a moment to notice how you feel. Then breathe in, open your hands to the side. Exhale, forward bend. Breathe in, open your chest, look up. Exhale, soften and sink down. Breathe in, open your chest, palms up. Exhale, forward bend. Breathe in, raise up to the sky. Exhale and soften. Continue the movement, breathing deeply into your lungs. Exhale forward. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax here. Soften your entire body. Then go ahead and swing your hands overhead. Turn to the side. Release. Then turn to the other side. Relax your neck and shoulders and allow your hands to form a shape of the ball. Inhale on one side. Exhale on the other. Remember to move from your legs, shifting the weight from one side to another. Go back to center and relax fully. Relax your neck and shoulders, relax your lower back, soften your legs. Then go ahead and gently stretch upwards. Come up on your toes, lifting yourself as high as you want. Release and soften down. Go ahead and repeat one more time. Release the position and relax your entire body. To finish your practice, go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. Exhale, bringing your hands near your abdomen. Gently close just under your navel and take a moment to concentrate on yourself and the sensations inside your body. Relax your hands by the side and finish your practice. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you feel nice and relaxed. If you enjoy free Qigong videos on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel to support the work. And if you would like to grow your practice and join me live every Sunday on Zoom, consider joining my membership site. You can find all the details in the description below.